Hello all, welcome to the product presentation video of Picomat high speed assembly system offered by Wise. My name is Manish Agrawal and I will take you through this presentation and discuss how you can optimize your production capacity with our new assembly system. But before that, I would like to thank you for taking out your time for watching this video. In today's presentation, I will take you through the various features of our Picomat system and explain what is a Picomat, how it is different from conventional assembly systems, the technical specification of our products, how it can be beneficial for you, which segments and applications can be used for Picomat, and lastly, how we can support. So, the Picomat assembly machine combines a rotary indexing table and a centralized cylindrical cam unit. This unit is connected to three different modules, and the modules are lifting modules, handling modules, and pressing modules. These modules together create an advanced and high-speed solution for those looking to optimize their assembly line with very low maintenance and high production volumes. Let me take you through the product specification in details. The Picomat is in a class of its own. This automated assembly system combines fixed stationary rotary indexing table and a maximum combination of 24 modules. These modules handling, lifting and pressing, which are driven with central driven shaft. So, various strokes can thus be combined. Therefore, what the customer get in the return is a powerful, cost-effective, and easy to integrate complete solution for their assembly applications. Now, the question is why a Picomat and how it is different from conventional assembly system. To answer this question, we need to ask ourselves how effectively we are utilizing the space on our shop floors with respect to the machine footprint. Well, choosing a between conventional assembly system or a Picomat for an automated assembly applications also depends primarily on the space availability on the shop floors. With Picomat, you can assemble a lot of products in a relatively small footprints. Let's take an example of two shop floors. On your left, there is a shop floor 1 and on your right, there is a shop floor 2 with the same production area. Now, on the shop floor 1, let's assume there are conventional assembly systems installed which allows the space only for 3 conventional systems. Whereas, on your right, you can see the shop floor 2 has installed up to 9 Picomat with lesser footprint, utilizing the same area as shop floor 1. With installation, shop floor 2 is able to increase the production capacity in the same working space. Not only that, you will have many benefits which you can achieve through the Picomat, such as a reduced downtime because of our 100% maintenance free indexers. Our indexers are pre-filled with synthetic lubricants. In addition, they are sealed with O-rings to prevent the leakage during the operation. Plus, the indexer solid roller cam follower technology increases load capacity and shock resistance for the e-stops and machine overloads. With more than 50 years of proven indexer technology, our solution provides the highest precision and accuracy, hence, seamless high-speed production is achieved without hassle. The system doesn't require any consumables or the spares, which makes directly our system cost effective. Apart from that, The system can be easily scalable to the serve high-speed assembly application with minimum wastage or rework during the assembly. With Picomat, many peripherals can be integrated, such as rotary ball feeders, input-output infeeds or conveyors, end-of-arm tooling, etc., etc., which makes the Picomat the heart of a machine. Wise recognized that nowadays the market required quick delivery, installation, and commissioning of high-speed assembly system. So, we are equipped to deliver the pre-configured proven assembly solution. Not only that, Wise partners like system integrators, line builders, SPM, and machine builders, they can sync the application requirement with the peripherals along with the Picomat and supply the proven technology which is reliable and efficient for the high speed production lines. Now coming on to the technical specifications. What features of Picomat makes it a special assembly machine? Well, as you can see in the screen, Picomat can be built with a combination of maximum 24 modules of handling, lifting and pressing, where the payload of handling modules is up to 2 kg with different strokes and size, lifting modules up to 1.5 kg and pressing module is available up to 20 kg of pressing force. As far as the cycle per minute is concerned, Picomat can achieve up to 60 to 70 cycles per minute depending on the configuration. The accuracy of plus minus 0.3 is best performance in its class. Now, let's look at what are the benefits for our customers. Increased product volume with automation is not the only benefit of the high-speed assembly system, but it significantly reduces your burden when it comes to the cost for the workforce. It also helps to increase capacity, efficiency, and reliability, and also optimize the investment cycles to fuel your growth. Now, when it comes to the application, the possibilities are diverse. Whether it is a automotive or electronics, medical or SPM machines or suppliers, our Picomat has proven its technology globally. Segments that are looking at on the screen are just the tip of iceberg. Plenty of applications can be offered to our customers. Now, let's talk about our package. Not only the Picomat module, Wise can offer a complete package which is powerful, cost efficient, and easy to integrate. In this package, we combine Picomat with customer specific dial plates, base frames, along with base plate and the complete control system. This is one of the top solutions for advanced assembly system. Please feel free to get in touch with us for more details, or you can also visit our website wise-world.com. With that, I thank you once again for the sparing your time in visiting our stall and exploring our products. I'm sure these advanced systems will definitely trigger new possibilities in exploring advanced assembly solution. You can also visit our Wise Solution Factory and Wise Engineering Knowledge Center located at Chakhand, Pune to explore the advanced Wise technology. We hope to get you in touch with you soon. Thank you very much. Thank you.